Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Sadia Kudrat and the topic of my presentation is BRAC. BRAC stands for Bangladesh Rural Advancement Committee. There is the logo of BRAC in front of you. The vision of BRAC is to make the world free from all forms of exploitations and discriminations, where everyone has the opportunity to realize his potential. Mission of BRAC is to empower people and communities in situation of poverty, illiteracy, diseases and social injustice. BRAC operates in 13 countries, including Asia, Africa, and Caribbean. It has affiliation with United Kingdom and United States. It is the non-governmental organization founded in 1972 in Bangladesh and was founded by Fazl Hassan Abid. It is the largest NGO non-profitable organization in the world. According to economists, BRAC is the largest, fastest growing NGO in the world and one of the most business-like. BRAC started its Ultra Poor program in Pakistan, which was funded by Poverty Alleviation Fund Balochistan. On 28th Feb 2018, NGO has been awarded Pakistan Center for Philanthropy. It has 4 major projects: social development, social enterprises, investments, and university. BRAC's works in Pakistan are education, health, microfinance, and ultra-poor program. Education. Pakistan ranks second highest number out of school children at primary level. Only 51% female attended schools. 41% students dropped before finishing primary level. BRAC opened 300 community-based schools, enrolled 59% girls, held 220 training sessions for teachers. Pakistan tops the list in child mortality and maternal mortality. Health programs supports to improve essential healthcare facilities and to reduce child and maternal mortality. It visited 480 health facilities in 36 districts of Punjab, conducted 6,000 household visits, provided 686 women with 4 antenatal care, provided safe drinking water, fully immunized children. Microfinance. In Pakistan, 56% adults are unemployed. This program contributes to reduce poverty by providing access to the household and creating self-employment. Invested $1.5 million with different clients. Distributed agriculture loan and small enterprises loan. Targeting ultra poor. In Balochistan, people suffer from crises such as food insecurity, malnutrition, and sanitation. Provided 136 members with assists. Provided 334 members with skills training. Thank you.